we talked about your son previous weeks. There's a 22-year-old. If he was retiring in 40 years' time, absolutely, he will be needing well over £1 million to generate even a relatively modest income in his retirement.
Yeah, hence they need to define inflation and to understand how obviously how inflation works, or at least to factor in the effects of inflation.
So that's again, we've already spoken for 5 minutes about how complicated that potentially can be.
Yeah.
Now that can give you a number. Sometimes that number is affordable, because that's then the next, perhaps more practical way that I tend to look at this discussion is to say, well, actually, how much can you afford to save each month? Because it's all well and good producing this wonderful number that's been calculated with all sorts of factors and complicated analysis.
But can you get there?
But can you get there today?
Yeah, okay.
It might be that's okay. Again, keep the math simple. Let's say that number was 1,000 a month, but you can actually only afford 500 at this current time.
Right.
Well, it's still much better to start at that 500 and build up towards as you get pay rises, as your work situation improves, than simply say, well, I can't afford the 1,000. I won't do anything